Welcome to our full guide on how to share your profile link on Snapchat. Easily connect with friends and share your Snapchat profile by following these simple steps. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile. Next, tap on the share icon located at the top right of the screen to initiate the sharing process. Under Share Your Profile, you will find options to share your profile link with others. Choose the method you prefer to share your profile link. Select the desired option, such as sharing via text message, social media, or other messaging platforms. By sharing your profile link, you can easily connect with friends and share your Snapchat presence with others. Thank you for watching this guide on how to share your profile link on Snapchat. Expand your network and connect with others by following these steps to share your profile link. Enhance your social connections and make it easier for others to find and add you on Snapchat. Enjoy sharing your Snapchat profile link and connecting with friends in a simple and convenient way.